Hey guys, welcome back to Collie's Kitchen. Today I'll take you back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how I prepared my curry coconut fritters. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend about Collie's Kitchen. You can also follow me on Facebook, it's Collie's Kitchen. Follow me on Instagram, it's CallieKitchen_1, and go ahead and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So here I have my flour. I also have my coconut milk powder. I also have some chopped onion, some scallion, and also some garlic. I also have some curry powder, some black pepper and parsley flakes, and I also have my deboned saltfish, and I also have some room temperature water. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and throw the flour in a large bowl. And I will also go ahead and add the coconut milk powder. And of course you have to combine this together because we want it to be evenly distributed. And I will also go ahead and add the curry powder and also the black pepper and the parsley flakes. Then I will go in and add the chopped onion, the scallion and the garlic. Then I will go ahead and add the deboned saltfish. So for the saltfish, I boiled my saltfish 3 times to remove the excess salt. Then I remove the bone from my saltfish, alright? And of course you want everything to be evenly distributed. So I'm going to go ahead and pour the room temperature water. And we're going to pour a small amount at a time. And while I'm doing this, I have my frying pan on the stove with some vegetable oil that I'm going to fry my fritters in. And again, we don't want the batter to be too runny. We want it to be smooth, alright? And if you realize that your batter is too runny, you can go in and add some more flour. Alright, guys? So this is my batter, alright? So now it's time to go ahead and use my tablespoon to just scoop up small amount of the batter and place it in the hot oil. Of course, we are going to allow our fritters to fry until golden brown on each side. And you guys don't have to use a tablespoon to pour out your butter. You can go ahead and use a regular spoon, but I like to use a tablespoon because I think my fritters come out nice and in small bite sizes, alright? So I'm going to allow it to fry on one side. Then I'm going to come back and show you guys what it looks like and flip it over on the other side. So guys, now it's time to go ahead and flip my fritters over on the other side. And of course, we're going to allow the other side to be golden brown as well. And as you can see, the color coming along quite fine, really bright and pretty. And I know most of you are going to ask what brand curry powder I'm using. Now, you can go ahead and use whatever brand you have at home. Remember to always try to be creative. Remember, cooking is about being creative. Try to be you, alright? Alright guys, so now that my fritters is all fried, I'm going to go ahead and remove them from the hot oil, place them on a napkin because I want the excess oil to drain. And you can go ahead and serve up your curry coconut fritters with some vegetables. You can go ahead and serve it up with some corned beef, or if you have sardine, tin mackerel, whatever you have, you can go ahead and serve up your curry coconut fritters with, alright? Or you can just have it by itself. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add the rest of the batter, then I'm gonna come back and show you guys the final product of my curry coconut fritters. Alright guys, so this is the final product of my curry coconut fritters. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I hope you guys try this recipe at home. Remember to turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye!